we gotta reach out to use first.
Yeah.
They're getting their job.
I don't think helicopters can do friend flips.
Let's see if we can.
We'll wait till
They
we.
can. Just get above 300
All I
meters.
hear is a ringing in the game.
You're deaf, buddy. Wait, should I sound an alarm when we have to do it?
No,
No.
It's
Just
a
wait
quiet. It's a quiet alarm.
no.
Just wait. Just wait for the pilots to go. Okay.
Yes.
Tell us when you're flipping.
I am.
Okay. Oh god,
No, not yet.
I don't have a parachute.
Get one. There's one on board.
Yeah, I got one.
My parachute keeps despawning, so I have to keep getting a new one.
Okay. Do you keep on respawning?
Despawning.
Yeah, but when you respawn, okay, you know when you use a parachute, it disappears.
Oh lord. Guys, you ready?
You know, like when I get it from the chopper and I put it on my back after like
Matt, you
a couple
ready?
minutes,
Yeah, I'm good.
it goes away.
Okay. Hey, quick comes. Ready? Matt, you recording?
Yeah, of
Everyone
course.
be quiet
Always.
when you record.
Ready.
Go for it.
Set. It. Oh wait. And now. Go for it. Oh!
I'm riding the helo.
I'm on.
Oh my god. You should have seen that.
I'm gonna recover too. I'm gonna recover.
No, I
I'm gonna
literally-
recover.
My
No, I'm
chest
not.
was
I'm not.
rubbing against the thing for a solid 10
Yeah,
seconds.
me too.
No,
I recovered. I recovered.
Wait, what if I land like somewhere?
Land wherever you want. Doesn't matter.
I love it's like, what if I land like somewhere? Who the
Somewhere.
frick just went through me?
I did.
Through the middle of you. Through the middle of you.
Nope. Crash
Oh!
into the, oh, I wish you'd crash into the ATC tower.
I did it.
That's Mad Tower, buddy. If I land on the yellow line.
Nope, nope, nope.
Oh, every time.
Right next to it,
Rip.
like a foot away from it. Wait, do a little flyby over us.
Oh,
I'm doing you. I am doing a flyby over you.
And there's the ATC.
No, I hate you. You had no faith in me whatsoever.